Hello and welcome to My City Week, a weekly roundup of all cherishing events happening in the state. This is the platform where you will get the best updates of Odisha. To start off, we have the booming healthcare sector in Odisha, which has been improving over time and advancing at a considerable pace. Positron emission tomography or computed tomography, or as we all know it, PET-CT service for cancer patients was inaugurated at AIIMS Bhubaneswar's Department of Nuclear Medicine. This will help cancer patients to get world-class treatment at an affordable price in Bhubaneswar. The high-end PET-CT equipment which has been installed is the first of its kind in Odisha, as informed by Dr. Kanhaiya Agrawal, Associate Professor of Nuclear Medicine. Patients of Odisha and neighbouring states will be charged ₹7,500 for the scan. The high-end equipment will ensure a lesser dose of radiation to the patients with better imaging, leading to more accurate diagnosis. Always striving to lead in the sports arena of the nation, the Government of Odisha through Sports and Youth Services Department and Swimming Federation of India entered into a partnership to develop, promote and expand the swimming ecosystem in Odisha and India. Through this collaborative partnership, Odisha will provide support and sponsor the federation in conjunction with Odisha State Swimming Association to provide technical expertise. The partnership will be valid for 1 year, extendable to 5 years under mutually agreed terms. The purpose of this partnership is towards the holistic development of the sport from grassroots to elite, which include conduct of national and international repute swimming competitions and events and conduct train the trainers courses in Odisha. Sure enough, Odisha is planning ahead to take swimming to another level. In appreciation of Sunita Lakra's tremendous contribution to Indian women's hockey, Chairman of Odisha Hockey Promotion Council, Dilip Tirki, on behalf of Odisha State Government, felicitated her at the ongoing Junior Men's Hockey World Cup in presence of Commissioner cum Secretary of Sports and Youth Services, R. Vinil Krishna. Sunita has been an integral part of Indian women's hockey. She had captained India during the 2018 Asian Champions Trophy, leading her team to a silver win. She was also part of the silver medal winning Asian Games team in 2018 and Asian Games bronze medal team in 2014. Congratulating the former ace defender, Dilip Tirki encouraged her and praised her dedication and perseverance in reaching the highest sporting platform and becoming an inspiration for the young women who aspire to make it to the national teams. Odisha-born Spandan Mahapatra has found a place among the 10 most innovative Chief Technology Officers to watch in 2021. According to Analytics Insight, an influential platform dedicated to insights, trends and opinions from the world of data-driven technologies, Spandan has been spearheading digital transformation by unleashing high-tech business solutions on a global scale. He is currently working as Chief Technology Officer, High-Tech and Professional Services Industry and Global Head Digital and Enterprise Transformation Unit at TCS. Odisha will be hosting the 6th Junior National Rugby Sevens Championship at KIT University, Bhubaneswar. A total of 24 states and units affiliated to Indian Rugby Football Union participated in the 3-day event. Rugby India, in association with Government of Odisha, Society General, KIT University and Odisha Rugby Football Association will be hosting the event. In another major event later this month, Senior National Rugby Sevens Championship will be held from December 17th to 19th at KIT University, Bhubaneswar. The Odisha government's initiative granting land rights to thousands of slum dwellers under the Odisha Livable Habitat Mission or JAGA mission has won the Asia Pacific Housing Forum Innovation Awards 2021. It was nominated for Innovation in Public Policy. Launched in May 2018, JAGA mission had won the bronze at the 2019 World Habitat Awards, which recognizes innovative, outstanding and revolutionary ideas, projects and programs from across the world. The annual award is given by World Habitat, a UK-based organization in partnership with UN Habitat. The Asia Pacific Housing Forum's Innovation Awards recognize and celebrate innovators and disruptors in affordable housing sector. Before winding up, I once again bring to you a hilarious video. Do watch.
Sir, what is the difference between summer and winter?
डिफरेंस बिटवीन विंटर एंड समर. कॉलम बनाओ, कॉलम. इधर लिखो समर, इधर लिखो विंटर. समर हैज 6 लेटर्स. विंटर आल्सो हैज 6 लेटर्स, बट अलग है.
अलग.
सेकंड पॉइंट लिखो. समर इज हॉट, विंटर इज नॉट हॉट. समर हैज समर वेकेशन, विंटर हैज विंटर वेकेशन. अभी जो पॉइंट लिखोगे इस पे टीचर फ्लैट 10 मार्क थूक मार के देगा. लिखो माय मम्मी लाइक समर, माय पापा लाइक विंटर, आई लाइक बोथ, हेंस प्रूव्ड. मुझे माफ करना, ओम साई राम. सबसे पहले लूंगा मम्मी डैडी का नाम.
With this, we come to the end of today's segment. Keep watching MyCTV, your weekly dose of positivity. I'm your neighborhood journalist Afrin Firdaus signing off.